Mm. Yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Mm. Yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. When did you guys come? Hi. Oh, you must be wondering what I'm doing, huh? Nothing, I'm just eating some nuts, pistachios. And the thing is that every time I eat something yummy, I just feel like singing this song. It's called Yummy, Yummy in my tummy, Yummy, Yummy in my tummy, Yummy, Yummy in my tummy. Have you ever felt like that? When you eat something yummy and you feel like singing a song? It happens with me every time. I'm a big foodie. And every time I eat something yummy, this song just comes to my mind. Anyway, so I am Ankita and today I'm here to tell you a story. I'm sure most of you have read this story or your parents have read them for you, but it is one of my favorite stories. And I love telling it to everyone again and again and again. You must be wondering कौन सी story है भाई, इतने गुण गाए जा रहे हैं. हाँ, which story is this? It is the very popular Eric Carle's The Very Hungry Caterpillar. पढ़ी है ना सबने? I told you most of you have read it. Now we are going to start the story. So this story starts on a nice starry night. Okay. And on a nice starry night, on a leaf lay an egg. किसका egg था ये? क्या था इस egg में? I have no clue right now, huh? I'm also just looking at the egg with you. So on a nice starry night, on the leaf of a tree lay an egg, a white colored egg. Came Sunday morning and out of the egg came a tiny but very hungry caterpillar. Ooh. Do you all want to say hi to the caterpillar? Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi, I am the tiny but very hungry caterpillar. Now, this caterpillar was very tiny, but it was very hungry. What do you do when you're hungry? Do you open the fridge and start looking for food? क्या है मम्मा ने क्या बना के रखा हुआ है? What can I munch on? Huh? So this caterpillar was also very hungry, and so this caterpillar started to look for food. And how did it look for food? Every time it went looking for food, it said, "Look, look, look, tuk. Look, 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 tuk." Can you all repeat with me? Look, 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 tuk. Look, 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 tuk. So on Monday, the caterpillar found something. It was lucky. It went on looking, 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 and it came across a fruit that's red in color. Can you tell me a fruit that's red in color? It is an apple. Well, there are different colors of apples also. There's green apple, there's golden apple, there's pink apple, but mostly they're red. And so this caterpillar found a red colored apple and it was very juicy. And so this hungry caterpillar gobbled up the apple. Yum, 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 yum. And now, because this apple was so yummy, the caterpillar felt like singing the song that I sing when I eat something yummy. And so the caterpillar sang, "Yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Now came Tuesday, and this caterpillar was still hungry. This apple did not satiate his hunger, and he was still so hungry. So it went looking on for more food. Can you all look with the caterpillar? Look, 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 took. Look, 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 took. Look, 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 took. The caterpillar found something. This time it's a green color fruit and it is very juicy, and this time it was not just one in number, it was two in number. So this time the caterpillar found not one but two pears, and he gobbled up the pears. Yum, 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 yum. And afterwards he sang, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. But the caterpillar was still hungry. And so came Wednesday. And this caterpillar said, Bhai, पेट नहीं भर रहा, मेरा पेट नहीं भर रहा, I will have to keep on looking for more food. And so on Wednesday, the caterpillar went on search for more food, and it went out looking. Look, 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 took. Can you do with the caterpillar? Look, 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 took. Look, 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 took. The caterpillar found something. What is it this time? This time, it's the yummy plums. But they were not one plum. They were two and three. The caterpillar was lucky to find three plums, and he gobbled them up. Nom, 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 nom. And after gobbling them up, he sang, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Sing with the caterpillar. Yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Now came Thursday, and this little caterpillar was still hungry. And so the caterpillar went on looking for more food. Can you go on looking with the caterpillar? Let's go. Look, 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 took. Look, 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 took. Look, 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 took. The caterpillar found something. And this time, it's something we all love. We love putting these on our pancakes. Strawberries. And it was one and two and three and four. Ooh. So the caterpillar found not one, not two, not three, but four strawberries. And what did he do with them? He gobbled them up. Yum, 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 yum. And he was so happy. And so he sang, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. But caterpillar, after eating one apple, two pears, three plums and four strawberries, this caterpillar was still hungry. And so this caterpillar said, आज फिर से खाना ढूंढने जाना पड़ेगा. So it was Friday now, and the caterpillar went out looking for more food. Can you all go out with the caterpillar and look for some food? Look, 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 took. Look, 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 took. Look, 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 took. And so came Friday. And on Friday, after looking for so long, the caterpillar finally found the succulent, juicy fruit that is also a color. A fruit that is a color and also a fruit. Can you guess? One fruit that's name is same as a color. Yes, it's orange. And so the caterpillar found 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 oranges. And it was so happy. And so this little tiny caterpillar quickly ate them all. Yum, 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 yum. And then it sang, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Now came Saturday. And Saturday is a weekend, right? Aajkal because of coronavirus, we just cannot discriminate between days anymore. Every day feels like a Saturday, every day feels like a Sunday. But right now I'm talking about a normal weekend when Monday to Friday are weekdays and Saturday, Sunday is the weekend. And everyone has a party on weekend. They eat junk food, they go out, they have parties, they go to different classes. So there's a lot more people do on a weekend because it's their day off from work, right? So now came Saturday and the caterpillar said, ये सारे fruits तो खत्म हो गए and I'm still hungry, so I'll have to go looking on for some more food. And because it was Saturday, all the caterpillar could find was junk food. And we eat junk food mostly on cheat days, right? So this caterpillar could only find junk food. And so this caterpillar found a slice of chocolate cake and an ice cream cone, a pickle, a slice of cheese, a salami, a lollipop. This caterpillar was enjoying, huh? It was having a party. All this junk food, it was like, I've come to heaven. I'm getting all these treats. Next was cherry pie. Yum, 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 yum. A sausage. Yum, 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 yum. A muffin. Last but not the least, कुछ तो healthy आया थोड़ा सा watermelon. Yum, 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 yum. Now, after eating all this, what did his tummy sing? Yummy, yummy in my tummy, 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 yummy, yummy in my tummy. Ouch! Ah! Oh! What happened? Now, after eating all this junk, क्या होता है? जब आप बहुत सारा खाना एक साथ खा लेते हो और you eat all the junk food, burger, pizza, lollipop, candies, what happens? The tummy starts to hurt because all these treats are okay once in a while, but if you have them in a big quantity or you have too much of these, then your stomach starts to hurt. And that's what happened with the caterpillar. The caterpillar got a stomachache. But the next day was Sunday again. And so this time the caterpillar found a fresh green leaf. And so it nibbled on that green leaf. Nom, 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 nom. And after eating this leaf, the caterpillar felt much better. This caterpillar was feeling much better after eating leaves. जब मम्मा बोलती है green leaves खाओ, spinach खाओ, fenugreek खाओ, then you must eat them because leaves, green leaves, fresh green leaves like lettuce, spinach, they're all very good for our body. Okay, they make our tummy strong. Yes, and they make our body also better. So we must eat green leafy vegetables. And so when this caterpillar had the green leaf, it felt so much better. And now this caterpillar was just not hungry anymore. But this caterpillar was also not tiny anymore. This caterpillar turned into a big fat caterpillar. And so this caterpillar said, now I want to form a nice home around me and stay cozy in there for some time. And so this caterpillar formed a cocoon around it and stayed inside for 2 weeks. For 14 days, the caterpillar was nice and cozy inside this cocoon. But after 14 days, this caterpillar was tired. It said, bas, ab bahut ho gaya. Ab mujhe bahar nikalna hai. It's been a while that I've been, cozy inside, but now I'm tired of all of this, right? I want to get out of this cocoon. Like in coronavirus, right now we are all inside our homes, right? We do feel like going outside, but it is not wise because we have been advised to stay inside, stay at home and stay safe, right? So this caterpillar was also safe inside its cocoon, but now it wanted to come out, and so it started to kick. It started to kick inside the cocoon. And it started to punch here and it started to punch there and here and there and again, and there were punches in the cocoon. And so finally the cocoon broke open. And guess what? Now when the caterpillar came out, it wasn't the same anymore. Have you ever felt a transformation? So this caterpillar was no more a caterpillar. Rather, it turned into a beautiful butterfly. Yes, the caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I hope you enjoyed this story. The story is a contribution towards the initiative called Save with Stories India, which is taken up by the Crackerjack Club. If you like this story, this initiative, please like and follow our Instagram handle and Facebook page by the name Save with Stories India. Bye.